Hey people, so we are at this place called Royal Wooden Toys, which is in Forum Mall, and we have this very helpful gentleman here, Mr. Abdul, and you know, these toys are made by these manufacturers themselves, and it's quite a range really. I mean, see, if you were to take a look at these Buddhas, they are as cute can possibly get. So if you were to take a look at it, these are all gift items really. So yeah, so this is Saharanpur wooden craft, and I picked up something myself just now. Yeah. This is quite a collection. See, wooden toys. So I think when you'll pick up something from the free market, we are kind of helping the economy, and it's quite a range really. ये ऐसे कितने में है? हाँ? 100. Oh, these are balls that can bounce. Okay, so that's how it is. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.